Welcome back, viewers. Today, we have an exciting and important topic to discuss: debt-free living. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 powerful strategies to help you pay off your debts and start building wealth. Whether you're dealing with credit card debt, student loans, or other financial obligations, these tips will set you on the path to financial freedom. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Assess your current financial situation. The first step to achieving debt-free living is gaining a comprehensive understanding of your financial standing. Take a meticulous look at your debts, income, and expenses. Create a detailed budget to identify where your hard-earned money is being allocated and pinpoint areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. This assessment will serve as a reality check, helping you see the full picture of your financial health and recognize the extent of your debts. Remember, acknowledging your current situation is empowering as it provides a clear starting point for your journey towards financial freedom. Embrace this critical step, and you'll be better equipped to craft an effective plan to pay off debts and build lasting wealth. Number 2. Negotiate lower interest rates. One of the lesser-known secrets to accelerating your debt repayment is the art of negotiation. Don't shy away from contacting your creditors and asking for lower interest rates. Surprisingly, a straightforward phone call can lead to substantial savings on credit card interest rates, allowing you to pay off debts more efficiently. Approach the negotiation with confidence and a clear understanding of your financial situation. Highlight your positive payment history and commitment to becoming debt-free. Many creditors are willing to work with responsible borrowers and may offer you a reduced interest rate or other favorable terms. Keep in mind that even a small reduction in interest rates can translate into significant savings over time. Be persistent, and don't hesitate to explore other financial institutions if your current creditor is unwilling to cooperate. Negotiating lower interest rates demonstrates your financial responsibility and determination to get out of debt, setting you on the path to financial freedom sooner than you might have imagined. Number 3. Debt consolidation. Dealing with multiple high-interest debts can be overwhelming and challenging to manage. If you find yourself juggling various credit card balances, student loans, or other obligations, debt consolidation could be a viable solution. Debt consolidation involves merging all your outstanding debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This not only simplifies your payment process, but also reduces the overall interest you'll need to pay. By streamlining your debts, you'll have a clearer financial picture, making it easier to stay on top of your repayments. There are different ways to consolidate your debts, such as getting a personal loan, utilizing a balance transfer credit card, or using a home equity loan. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and explore all the terms and conditions before proceeding with consolidation. Ensure that the new interest rate and repayment terms work in your favor, helping you save money in the long run. Remember, debt consolidation is not a quick fix. It should be accompanied by responsible financial habits and a commitment to staying debt-free. Used wisely, debt consolidation can be an effective tool in your journey towards financial freedom, simplifying your debts and setting you on the path to building wealth with greater ease. Number 4. Use windfalls wisely. Windfalls, such as unexpected bonuses, tax refunds, or monetary gifts, can be exciting and tempting to splurge on something you've always wanted. However, one of the smartest moves towards debt-free living is to utilize these windfalls strategically. Resist the urge to indulge in immediate gratification and instead, consider directing these unexpected funds towards making substantial debt payments. Every extra dollar you put towards debt reduces the principal amount and saves you from paying additional interest. Think of windfalls as a golden opportunity to fast-track your journey to debt freedom. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your debt decrease significantly or even being entirely paid off due to a well-placed windfall. Stay focused on your financial goals, and remember that the sacrifices you make now will lead to greater financial security and the ability to build lasting wealth in the future. Be mindful of the bigger picture and use windfalls as stepping stones on your path to financial freedom. Number 5. Avoid taking on new debt. As you work diligently towards paying off your existing debts, it is equally important to resist the allure of taking on new debt. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of using credit cards or loans to cover expenses or purchase items beyond your means. Maintaining a debt-free lifestyle requires a shift in mindset and financial discipline. Be mindful of your spending habits and differentiate between wants and needs. Ask yourself whether a purchase is essential and aligns with your long-term financial goals. Consider building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses instead of resorting to credit cards. This way, you'll have a safety net in place without incurring new debt. Furthermore, explore creative ways to enhance your financial stability, such as saving for big purchases or exploring alternative options like bartering or trading. By avoiding new debt, you free up more resources to focus on debt repayment and building wealth. Stay committed to your financial journey, and over time, your diligence will pay off with the achievement of lasting financial freedom and a more secure financial future. Remember, being debt-free not only grants you peace of mind, but also opens doors to opportunities for personal and financial growth. That concludes our video on 5 debt-free living strategies for paying off debt and building wealth. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.